Ever wondered why some plants thrive in one place but not in another? The answer lies beneath our feet, in the diverse world of soil types. Today, we'll delve into this fascinating topic and unravel the mystery of soil types and their role in gardening. First up, let's dive into clay soil. This type of soil is dense, compact, and drains water slowly. But don't let that discourage you. Certain plants like roses, fruit trees, and a variety of vegetables absolutely thrive in this environment. Clay soil, a gardener's delight for certain plants. Next, we move on to sandy soil. This type of soil is light, dry, and drains quickly. It's the preferred home for plants like cacti, succulents, and others that thrive in drought conditions. Sandy soil, perfect for those hardy, drought-resistant plants. Finally, we explore loamy soil. This balanced blend of sand, silt, and clay creates a nutrient-rich environment with excellent drainage. Most plants thrive in loamy soil, making it a gardener's best friend. Loamy soil, the ideal home for a wide variety of plants. Why does all this matter, you may wonder? Well, the answer lies in the essence of successful gardening. Understanding soil types is crucial because different plants thrive in different soils. By matching the right plant to the right soil, you're setting the stage for optimal growth and health. Think of it as a matchmaking game where the perfect couple yields a beautiful, flourishing garden. So next time you're in your garden, remember, it's not just about the plants. The soil plays a starring role too. That's all about the different soil types and their importance in gardening. We've dug into the details of clay soil with its compact and water-retaining qualities. We've sifted through sandy soil, known for its loose texture and quick drainage. And we've explored loamy soil, the gardener's dream, with its balanced blend of sand, silt, and clay. Understanding these soils can truly elevate your gardening game. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!